One of the most powerful capabilities of LLMs like Gemini is multimodal analysis. Basically, the ability to understand images and other media. I recently built a demo that lets users get the nutritional value of a meal just by snapping a photo. Pretty impressive. But making that feature production ready requires a lot more than just a clever prompt. You need data you can trust. Hi, my name is Peter, and I'm a developer relations engineer on the Firebase team. In this video, I'll walk you through structured output, sometimes called JSON mode. You'll learn how to force Gemini to generate responses that map directly to your app's internal data structures, saving you from writing complex parsers or brittle error handling logic. In my app, I don't want a wall of text describing the food. I want a screen that is easy to glance at, with the name of the detected food, its total calories, and a breakdown of the macros like protein, carbs, and fat. I've defined a Swift struct called nutrition info. It conforms to Codable and has properties for all the properties we can see on screen. Historically, it used to be tricky to get LLMs to fill this out reliably. You had to prompt them to please only generate JSON, and then hope they didn't add any additional markdown formatting or intro text like, here is your JSON. With structured output in Gemini and Firebase AI logic, this is a problem of the past. Let me show you how this works. So, we have our Swift struct, but Gemini doesn't know about Swift types directly. We have to provide guidance for it. The way we do this is by defining a schema object. This acts as a blueprint that tells Gemini exactly what keys and data types to use. For example, we specify that the name of the dish is a string and that the carbohydrates, fat, and energy attributes all are integers. We can even provide more details about the meaning of the individual properties, for example, to make sure that the macros are expressed in grams. We then pass this schema to the generation config for our model, along with the MIME type application JSON. This tells the model, don't give me any conversation, don't give me any markdown, just give me JSON, and make sure it matches this schema. If you forget to provide the MIME type, the model will return the response in plain text. With the generation config in place, we can go ahead and configure our model and call generate content just like normal. And here is the best part. Because the output is guaranteed to be valid JSON that adheres to our schema, we can just take the model's response and decode it using Swift's JSON decoder. And just like that, we've analyzed an image and populated our Swift struct with the response. Okay, are you ready for a demo? My producer wouldn't let me bring in hot food into the studio, so this photo of a Parmigiana will have to do. All right, so let me bring up the nutrition scanner in the app and take a picture. And after a short moment, the model will come back with the analysis. So let's see how the numbers stack up. Oh, nice. So here is the analysis. The model correctly detected the dish as Parmigiana, and it shows the macros and the calories. It sounds like I could have had another helping without destroying my low-carb goals. And that's it. By using structured output, we've effectively turned a creative, probabilistic AI model into a source of reliable, typed data. We've eliminated the need for complicated regular expressions, complicated parsers, we've eliminated the risk of hallucinations, and our code is significantly cleaner. While I used a nutrition app for this example, you can use this technique for other use cases as well. For example, to extract data from invoices, business cards, or any other scenario where you need Gemini to connect tighter with the data model of your app, no matter if it's Swift or any of the other languages Firebase AI Logic supports. I've uploaded the source code for the sample app to GitHub. The link is in the description below, along with the link to the documentation. To learn more about Firebase AI Logic, watch all the other videos in the Firebase AI Logic playlist, and don't forget to subscribe to the Firebase channel on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.